All right. Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be looking at the nails. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says nails. We have the link for the reading. We have my email where you can send your assignments. And we have the practice questions. So let's take a look at nails. So nails are what are called accessory organs of the skin, which means they kind of help the skin. So they're made of dead keratinocytes and are found on the far ends of the fingers and toes. All right, the keratin is going to give them their texture, and nails do a lot of things. So let's look at the anatomy first. So the nail has three main parts: the root, plate, and free margin. Other structures are going to be nail bed, cuticle, and nail fold. So the nail root is the portion of the nail found under the surface of the skin at the near end of the nail. So root is somewhere down here. Nail plate is the portion of the nail that is external to the skin. So that's like this top part here. It is the visible part of the nail. All right. Let's see here. The free margin is the portion that protrudes beyond the distal end of the finger or toe. So that's the part that you clip. The nail bed is the area of skin under the nail plate. So nail bed, like right down here. Cuticle is a layer of dead epithelial cells that overlaps and covers the edge of the nail plate. So oh, here we go. Cuticle, right down here. And then the nail fold is a groove in the skin, like right here, in which the side edges of the nail plate are embedded. All right. So that's where the side of your nail is embedded. All right. Nails grow from a layer of living epidermal tissue known as the nail matrix at the near end of the nail. All right. So the nail is going to, whoops. Okay. The nail, lost my place there just for a minute. I skipped over a part. This you can read on your own. So the nail grows at an average rate of 3 millimeters a month. And if you've had me in earth science, that's about the rate that the plates moves, the earth's plates. Fingernails grow up to 4 times as fast as toenails. So if you lose a fingernail, you're going to get it back in 3 to 6 months, which is a long time. And then it takes between a year and a half to regrow a toenail. And this is also going to depend on some other factors such as your health. All right. Fingernails are going to protect the soft tissues of the fingers and toes from injury. They are going to help enhance sensation and precise movements of the fingertips through their counter pressure that they put on the finger tissue. So healthcare providers, EMTs, are going to examine your fingernail beds to see how much oxygen is in your blood or the amount of blood reaching extremities. The nails are used to diagnose a lot of other things. They also will take samples from under someone's nails if they get killed, because if they fight back, they might have their attacker's DNA under the nails if they scratch the person. We don't really need to go over fungal infections. Those are kind of disgusting. Nails are harder than skin, but more things are able to get through, so more harmful things are able to get through the nails. So important to know. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your questions and turn them into me.